Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Learn Abacus at Home series. Today, we're diving into a review session for Lesson 7, where we've been learning how to subtract using the 5 complement pairs. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You're already doing great. Let's quickly go over the key points of using the 5 complement in subtraction before jumping into some practice problems from Workbook 4. Remember, we use the same 5 complement pairs 1 and 4, and 2 and 3, for both addition and subtraction. We use them when there aren't enough lower beads to subtract the desired number, but the upper bead, 5, is available to borrow. Here's the important part: when you borrow the 5, you're subtracting too much, so you need to add back the excess. This means you first add the complement, the friend, of the number you want to subtract, and then you subtract 5. Add the excess first, then subtract the upper bead. For example, let's try subtracting 4 from 6. If you only have one lower bead available to subtract but the 5 is available, what do? You add the 1, the complement of 4, then subtract 5. Notice that 1 is the friend of 4, always there to help when you subtract 4. Now that we've reviewed this key concept, let's move on to more practice together. We'll be using Workbook 4 to practice subtraction using the 5 complement pairs. If you haven't printed it out yet, please download Workbook 4 from my Abacus tutorial website. You can find the link in the description below. Now, let's begin. process easier to follow. The only way to master these 5 complement methods is with regular practice. You'll see these problems often from now on, so it's important to build confidence before moving on to the next level. Workbooks 3 and 4 offer 120 problems altogether, with 60 focused on addition and 60 on subtraction. Be sure to have your child try to complete both. In the next video, we'll use the same 5 complement techniques, but this time with multi-digit numbers like 23 plus 44 and 67 minus 34. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now to get notified when new videos are available. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.